Do you want to make sure your S Pen is working properly? Your Galaxy S26 Ultra has a built-in diagnostic that can check S Pen touching. Let me show you how. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under the Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Then tap Phone Diagnostic. Here, find and tap S Pen touching. If you have tested it before, tap Test again. Before the test starts, your phone will ask you to remove any cases or accessories that contain magnet. Tap OK to start the test. Now use your S Pen to tap all the square on the screen. And make sure you tap every square. If your phone recognizes all of them correctly, the result will show normal. However, if there's a problem, tap Request a repair button and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's how to test S Pen touching on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.